Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. Welcome to another video. I have to thank you guys so much for watching the last video, for the support. Thank you guys for subscribing, for liking, and for all the feedback I've been getting in general. So this week was kind of hectic, and I didn't get the time to shoot a vlog. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to react to some of my old videos, and hopefully you guys will enjoy it. Yeah, 40 subscribers. Let's go.
Wake up and come carry that movie and give me sermon.
Miss Irma.
Hear the dog him.
Miss Irma.
Mommy said me forget the movie, yeah.
Hey, that was actually my auntie. My auntie, and I meet her like as me left me yard. I'm just use it for a quick scene.
Before you sit down, come go and shop for me.
You have turkey neck?
You have 30 next shirt.
Finally. Woo.
Labo? Labo?
Let me know. I must under the store that I put it.
Shit, you know under there.
Labo, where I look for?
Bicycle.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
Merlin, beg your wife.
Join at your old age, you can't whine no more.
Oh no. Oh no. Why did I go through my mind here? My friend them no really know. You could have tell me say.
Yes, you can't dance. Wanna give me dance?
Come on, honey, dance. You shouldn't go so hard. You shouldn't go so hard. I remember this video, man. Hey. One bad dancing.
When your crew can dance, of course we can dance. Wanna give we the dance floor?
Grandma, what do? What's your granny? What's the one in I think?
Okay, eggs, bacon, grits, sausage. Teacher left the class, I'ma play with my sausage. Put it on the next, like it waving my sausage. Minutes, no break, I'm exploring my sausage. How the booty shake when the booty see my sausage. LaMaNDi, tell us about your sausage. She don't want sausage. She trying to ride just to get that glimpse of sausage. You know me now, pop out no Vienna sausage. No boy feelings, she trying for me sausage. Yes, I live like one piece of sausage.
Born. Oh. Yeah man, this is one of my favorite. 320 views. Probably this have the most views from my channel so far now.
Mommy, where was I born? Son, I don't quite remember, but I think it was on the highway. The highway? I don't understand. The highway? That's because that's where most accidents happen.
Brother, can you imagine your mother said that to you? You were an accident. Next video, they just the woman bored. I'm gonna see this video on Facebook. I'm gonna say, alright.
Just done what you thousand with that. You come learn.
Watch your face.
Bruh.
What? the face in the last part. We'll watch it over.
Yo, just done what you thousand with that. You come learn.
Well, apparently you're not learning enough. It's a bitch drop.
Bruh. Got it!
Got it! Bo? You gotta get it body, no? Matian. Bo? Super Saiyan? KO!
Not bad.
Gay-o! I don't gay! Boom! Watch him face.
Yo, look what I go do, boy. Wet, me I go wet him up.
Wet him up, why? Why? Woo!
Jesus. Oh, you just wet me up? Yeah. Oh.
Man, turn on the water with 4 hours for him. Alliance. LaMaNDi.
LaMaNDi.
People ever wake up LaMaNDi.
What you want?
What you want?
A little sugar, me I beg. Little sugar.
Man, wake me up for sure.
Yeah, them tie up. Just come, man. Just come. Them tie up, man. Them tie up. Alright, man.
Never believe a Jamaican them to say dog tie up. Never. Them even check. Blow wait. Hey. Hey, the man is fast, dude. Yeah. Man is fast, man.
No come back on me, you beg too much.
Scale that. Oh, no in the bathroom. Yo, I love that video, you know.
Big man, hurry up and come out of the bathroom now.
You have always have somebody in the bathroom too long when you want to use it. Time ago on. Oh, 5 minutes, wow.
Sweet mother.
A little bit of Monica in my life, a little bit of Erica outside, a little bit of Tina's all I need, a little bit of Tina's what I see.
Come on. I can't bother when I look for my things and I can't find anything. I wish for my phone there. Chow, I swear I saw me put it in up. Can't bother, you know. Chow.
Show the clothes of my girl.
How about this? How about this? A clap. Yeah.
Every time I hear that song, yeah, remember the part in the video where the song play. Every time I hear the song. What? No, can't ringtone it. What did do me and this big thing? I don't know.
Oh, hi. Labu?
That's what my man call me friend,
Yes.
you know. Labu.
Labu, your grandfather there. Him say him go round the road. I'm gonna call him then now, I'm gonna call him because mommy want to talk to him. Run one.
I like your stuff. Hey. Uncle Ellis, this is like Uncle Ellis, you know.
Way back way, you know that I don't play. Streets not safe, but I never run away.
Never would run away.
Never much love when we go OT. I pray to make it back in one piece. I pray. That's why I need a one dance.
Hey, Grandpa now pay, no mind. Grandpa now pay, no mind. Don't unite, Grandpa. Don't unite. That would be the last video uploaded, but I remember I did have a Facebook page, as much as say, and me used to make memes and post on the Facebook page. So I'm gonna just go through some of the meme them now and see. I don't know who you are, but you need to subscribe to LaMaNDi TV. You weren't sexy enough, me. How do you like me now? We're in a coma him. What happened? you told your mother your CXC results. Your megabytes done. Legit. This is legit. Me tell you say it did big. You too lie. Never tell you nothing. Get fired if you never look a job. Be smart. Be wise. You smart. When your siblings are getting scolded for something you did. Shouldn't it be scolded or scolded? Me. Look in the fridge. The bottle is almost empty. Me to me. Drink out of the full one so you don't have to fill it back. When she spots you checking her out. Her father, her brother, her first love, her ex, her boyfriend, and you. Oh no. Oh, you just graduated. How much you pound are you yam? The rest of the squad this summer. Me this summer. And not just this summer alone. Last summer, next year, every summer this is me. When I go to family get-togethers is to watch people argue. Yeah man. Straight. FIFA, PUBG, straight. I'm having a threesome. A threesome? Am I not enough? You're not included. Bombard. If you really want her to like you, like her posts on Facebook. No, I was planning on speaking to her. I was planning on talking to her in person. Like that shit'll work. When you accidentally turn on the front camera, jeez and hey, life, listen, just life. What students think teachers do on Teachers Day. What teachers actually do on Teachers Day. Blessed. Jamaicans be like, come, him no bite. For real, I swear. Me tell you, don't trust them when them say the dog tie up. How the rest of the class look when you pull your chips? How is that? No man, it's okay. That will do. Then by the time you go so have to pull your ketchup, them down in a your thing. I'm glad I did this. It was so much fun looking back at all the content that I had before. Looking forward to producing more content more frequently, and I'm happy to have you guys along with me. So feel free to subscribe, hit a like, share, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.